quicker than the fabric of spacetime can keep up with it, and it'll simply rip. And I am terrified. Via this, a cosmic spectacle is unfolding as we talk, captivating astronomers worldwide. Betelgeuse, that enchanting crimson wonderful large decorating Orion's shoulder, is undergoing an exceptional metamorphosis. Its luminosity, the radiant glow that defines its celestial presence, has passed through an first-rate surge, surpassing its normal brilliance by a remarkable 50%. At the dawn of this year, Betelgeuse proudly held the illustrious title of the 10th brightest famous person gracing our nocturnal canvas. However, this sudden celestial blow-up has propelled it to a prestigious new position, now shining brightly as the 7th big name in our inspiring nighttime sky. Betelgeuse, a large superstar in its late tiers of existence, is of considerable size. Its dimensions are so full-size that if it were placed at the center of our solar system, it'd enlarge as a long way as Jupiter's orbit. Eventually, this famous person will go through a collapse, resulting in a powerful supernova explosion, which may lead to the formation of both a neutron big name or a black hole. The anticipation surrounding Betelgeuse supernova stems from the fact that it will likely be a tremendous event, located kind of 650 light-years away. Humanity unearths itself in an foremost area to witness this cosmic spectacle firsthand. When the stellar explosion happens, it'll produce a wide-ranging show of mild. To start with, there may be an abrupt inflow of neutrinos, with a purpose to sweep throughout the Earth, detectable by means of observatories worldwide. Following this, as excessive electricity photons escape from the expanding cloud of stellar particles, Betelgeuse will rapidly intensify in brightness over the route of every week, achieving up to 100,000 instances its typical luminosity. Relying on the explosion's strength, this celestial beacon should rival the brilliance of a full moon and might also be seen at some point of daytime, casting wonderful shadows at night. This astonishing event will persist for an extended period, offering an exceptional possibility for certain observations and potentially groundbreaking discoveries. While the supernova of Betelgeuse may additionally trigger speculation and apprehension due to historical associations of such events with unwell omens, we can take solace inside the reality that we are appropriately situated at a huge distance, shielded from any detrimental consequences. To absolutely understand the enigma surrounding Betelgeuse, it is critical to revisit the end of 2019. When peculiar phenomena started out to manifest, during this period the crimson great massive star started experiencing widespread dimming, a change substantial even to the naked eye. Observations using the Very Large Telescope inside the optical spectrum discovered that Betelgeuse appeared roughly symmetrical. However, its photospheric layers exhibited signs of a significant disturbance inside our line of sight. The photosphere represents the outer layer of the big name where light is emitted. Researchers additionally detected an expansion of the photosphere, giving the impression that the big name was swelling when considered from Earth. This enlargement endured at a steady charge of approximately 8 kilometers per second for most of the year until mid-November 2019, at which point the outward speed commenced to say no. By mid-November 2019, the glide of material from Betelgeuse ceased, prompting astronomers to seize new optical snapshots of the star. Their observations discovered two unexpected irregularities. First of all, a darkened location appeared inside the star's southern hemisphere, growing a putting contrast with the previous picture taken on the beginning of the year. Secondly, the surface temperature of the famous person experienced a dip, dropping by way of about 80 Kelvin between January 27th and February 13th, 2020. The brightness of Betelgeuse reached an unheard-of low, approximately a year after the cessation of the outflow. However, the famous person regularly regained its brightness over the following months, eventually returning to its normal magnitude. This caused the question, what had truly passed off with Betelgeuse? All of the available proof strongly counseled that Betelgeuse had undergone a huge and unprecedented occasion called a floor mass ejection, SMME. This phenomenon bears similarities to coronal mass ejections, CMEs, observed on the solar. To better recognize SMME, imagine a volcanic eruption on a scale matching that of a celeb. Material from the celebrity's interior surges upwards and outwards, causing shock waves within its atmosphere. Over the years, this fabric bureaucracy molecules and dirt, in part obstructing our view of the superstar and causing it to seem dimmer. In the case of Betelgeuse, the SMME resulted in the ejection of a mass 400 billion times greater than what is generally determined at some stage in comparable events on other stars or CMEs. This amount equaled multiple instances the mass of the Moon, propelled at remarkable speeds. Researchers cited that such an good-sized mass ejection from a celeb's floor had never been witnessed earlier then. The occasion allowed for the direct commentary and exam of surface info using the Hubble telescope, offering an actual-time glimpse into the getting old and evolution of a loss-of-life celebrity. The SMME had a profound effect on Betelgeuse, causing it to lose a considerable quantity of mass in an unmarried occasion. This incidence tested that a loss-of-life superstar can revel in considerable mass loss beyond its ordinary annual lower due to stellar wind. In a manner, it turned into as if Betelgeuse had forcefully expelled its upper layer and became presently inside the procedure of slowly getting better from the aftermath of this damage. However, following this dimming occasion, the star's conduct has passed through a change. Previously, it might pulsate or regulate its brightness every 400 days, but now it's miles pulsating each 200 days. Betelgeuse is classed as a semi-everyday variable superstar, meaning it reviews multiple cycles of fluctuating brightness due to variations in its size and temperature. This red brilliant massive is thought to exhibit two main intervals of light pulsation. The first length lasts 400 days and is believed to be due to pulsations within the essential mode. The second one period is a longer cycle of approximately 5.6 years, and its beginning remains unknown. In their research paper, scientists applied PC simulations to advantage a deeper expertise of the events that transpired. They proposed that an unusually hot gasoline modern, resembling a huge and excessive bubble, emerged from in the Big Name. These occurrences of hot fuel bubbles once in a while stand up because of the celeb's turbulent and convective envelope, which can be likened to a pot of boiling soup where the material is constantly in movement and mixing. As this warm bubble ascended and broke through the famous person's surface, it caused the ejection of stellar cloth. Interestingly, it also disrupted the star's everyday pulsation sample. The star's surface persisted to enlarge, even as its deeper regions shriveled, causing the famous person to transition from its normal 400 pulsation to a new 200-day pulsation. Astronomers expect that the star's everyday motions will progressively stabilize the uncommon pulsation over the subsequent 5 to 10 years, in the end restoring Betelgeuse to its ordinary 400-day pulsation. Regarding the possibility of a Betelgeuse supernova, astronomers speculate that it is able to occur at any time within the subsequent 10,000 to 100,000 years. Based on factors consisting of the star's color, brightness, size, and predicted age, scientists advise that Betelgeuse is presently in the early tiers of helium to carbon fusion. This manner need to preserve through oxygen, silicon, and ultimately iron before the star's middle collapses under its very own gravitational pull, leading to a cataclysmic explosion. Since Betelgeuse is placed 650 light-years away, any supernova event happening at present could only become visible to us after 650 years due to the obstacles imposed with the aid of the speed of light. Therefore, it's miles quite not likely that we are able to witness the star's dramatic death at some point of our lifetime. The precise component approximately Betelgeuse is that we can truly see its surface, which isn't always the case for most other stars. This offers us an excellent opportunity to find out about how big stars like Betelgeuse behave as they become older. Along with these types of surprising mass ejection activities, currently, astronomers made a bone-chilling discovery. For the first time ever, they discovered a celeb devour its very own planet 12,000 light-years away inside the constellation AA. Betelgeuse, with its interesting name and distinguished role inside the nighttime sky, has captivated the human imagination for centuries. Its significance extends beyond scientific information because it has left its mark on pop culture and mythology around the world. Betelgeuse has a rich and diverse origin rooted in the Arabic language. Initially interpreted because the armpit of the giant, some scholars argue that it could constitute a hand or shoulder as a substitute. This anatomical affiliation is pondered in diverse interpretations of Betelgeuse, often connected to anthropomorphic or animal figures across extraordinary cultures and mythologies. Betelgeuse contains multifaceted meanings and symbolism. In historic Japan, it represented a severed limb. Even as in Brazil, it became perceived as a turtle's leg or a caiman's hind leg. The Sanskrit time period for Betelgeuse translates to the wet one, tied to Hindu astrology, Ardra lunar residence, and related to the tempestuous hurricane god, Ra. Throughout records, Betelgeuse performed a massive role in cultural practices and traditions. As an instance, in Macedonian lifestyle, it symbolized domesticated animals and agricultural lifestyles in villages. In different areas, including North Island and the Melville Peninsula, its rising marked the onset of spring and longer days. Betelgeuse's cultural prominence stems from its association with the constellation Orion, where its miles identified as the star on Orion's right shoulder. As one of the brightest stars within the sky, ranking 11th in luminosity, it captivates and evokes artists, writers, and filmmakers. In latest years, Betelgeuse has undergone exceptional changes, catching the eye of astronomers worldwide. From considerable dimming events to a big surface mass ejection (SMME), Betelgeuse has exhibited behaviors that provide specific possibilities to have a look at the dynamics of death stars. The 2019 dimming event, followed by the SMME in 2020, allowed researchers to immediately examine and analyze phenomena that were previously theoretical or inferred from remote observations. The SMME especially was a pivotal event. It ejected a mass some distance extra than ordinary activities observed on other stars, giving astronomers valuable insights into the mechanisms governing such eruptions. This event no longer only provided a real-time glimpse into the celebrity's internal processes. However, it also challenged existing fashions of stellar evolution and mass loss mechanisms. Furthermore, Betelgeuse's uncommon pulsation pattern, shifting from a 400-day to a 200-day cycle, post-SMME, has intrigued scientists. This modification suggests ongoing dynamic methods in the superstar, probably connected to inner convective currents or structural modifications induced by the floor disturbance. Understanding these pulsation patterns is essential for refining our models of stellar interiors and their evolution toward supernova explosions. The supernova will not only remove darkness from the nighttime sky. However, it'll also offer invaluable statistics on the past due tiers of large superstar evolution. It'll offer an unprecedented opportunity to look at the formation of neutron stars or black holes and the distribution of heavy factors ejected into area, enriching interstellar environments with the building blocks of future stars and planets. Beyond its medical significance, Betelgeuse holds cultural importance spanning centuries in numerous civilizations. Originating from Arabic interpretations as the arm or shoulder of the giant, Betelgeuse has been woven into myths and cultural practices across different regions. In historical Japan, it symbolized a severed limb, even as in Brazil it was associated with animal anatomy. Such diverse interpretations spotlight the everyday human fascination with the nighttime sky and the profound impact stars have had on shaping cultural identities and beliefs. In addition to its mythological roots, Betelgeuse's affiliation with the constellation Orion and its prominence as one of the brightest stars inside the sky has inspired artists, writers, and filmmakers throughout history. Its depiction in diverse kinds of art and literature reflects humanity's quest for understanding the cosmos and our place inside it. The Observe of Betelgeuse offers a glimpse into the future of large stars and their final destiny. As we preserve to reveal Betelgeuse's evolution, improvements in observational techniques and theoretical models will similarly refine our expertise of stellar physics. Future space missions and floor-based observatories, ready with advanced instrumentation, will play critical roles in unraveling the complexities of large superstar evolution, supernova progenitors, and the formation of compact remnants. Furthermore, Betelgeuse's unique traits, inclusive of its observable surface details and pulsation patterns, provide insights into the range and dynamics of red supergiant giants. By analyzing stars like Betelgeuse, astronomers can check theories of stellar shape, evolution, and nucleosynthesis, contributing to broader discussions on galactic chemical evolution and the origins of elements essential for life. The story of Betelgeuse serves as a superb instructional device for inspiring future generations of astronomers and area fans. Its dramatic alterations, from dimming episodes to mass ejections, capture the imagination and curiosity of students and the majority alike. By way of undertaking citizen science initiatives, observing sessions, and instructing outreach packages, humans can actively participate in the exploration of our universe and make contributions to ongoing studies efforts. In conclusion, Betelgeuse represents more than just a far-off celebrity in the nighttime sky. It embodies humanity's quest for expertise, cultural diversity, and scientific exploration. Its latest metamorphosis and potential for a future supernova explosion underscore the dynamic nature of stars and their pivotal role in shaping the cosmos. As we continue to have a look at Betelgeuse and other celestial phenomena, we deepen our expertise of the universe's evolution and our place within it. The continued observations and theoretical advancements surrounding Betelgeuse highlight the collaborative efforts of Astronomers International and the interdisciplinary nature of present-day astrophysics. By integrating observational records, theoretical models, and cultural perspectives, we enhance our collective understanding of the universe's grand tapestry and encourage future generations to discover the wonders of space. Betelgeuse's journey from mythological symbol to medical surprise exemplifies the iconic human fascination with the cosmos and the timeless quest to get to the bottom of its mysteries. As we appearance in the direction of the future with new technologies and modern methods, Betelgeuse will retain to illuminate our path closer to deeper cosmic insights and transformative discoveries. As Carl Sagan famously stated, "The cosmos is within us. We are product of superstar stuff." In the case of Betelgeuse, we not simplest examine superstar stuff but also witness its transformative adventure, supplying profound insights into the life cycles of stars and the vastness of the universe. In the words of the ancient stargazers and modern-day astronomers alike, Betelgeuse remains a celestial marvel, a beacon of mild inside the cosmos, and a source of proposal for generations to return. There's simply so much more to talk approximately on this subject matter. What are your mind on the recent metamorphosis of Betelgeuse and its capability for a future supernova explosion? Allow us to understand inside the feedback.